What is itoken wallet? itoken is an inventive and powerful DeFi wallet. Previously hobby wallet, your gateway to Web3. This is the feature of itoken wallet. First, instant fast chain swap, yield earning, browser for debt, real-time market data, safely store 1 million plus crypto, collect NFT. How to create itoken wallet? Give password first and again give that password and click on the confirm option. After that, this page is come. You can make what you want or need. For example, I want a Hiko wallet, then I will be click on Hiko, then Hiko wallet will be created. This is the simple phrase of wallet. So now I will tell you the best feature of itoken wallet. How to use the itoken wallet? This is the main page of itoken wallet. Tap CBN ranking, NFT ranking, games, buy, health center, community, cloud wallet, farm, entertainment, learn to earn, event, etc. It's all present here. This is the wallet of. If you want to send any address from itoken wallet, then click on send option, and this is the page. Receiving address, copy and paste her address, transfer amount. If you want to receive any asset from any wallet, for example trust wallet, then click on receive and copy the address and paste there. If you want to create wallet on other chain, then click on add wallet here.